Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone will be fine and doing well. Dear students, today the date is 7th June 2021 and this is your English class. Dear students, this is the third video of the month of June for class 6. Today we are going to discuss unit number 2, page number 11, exercises. Okay boys? We are going to discuss what? Exercises of unit number 2. Okay boys, this is the time to open your books. Hurry up boys, don't waste your time. Hurry up, open your books and also take out pencil with yourself. Okay boys, before page number 11 I want to discuss page number 10. Look here boys, activities, unit number 2 activities. On this page we have just one exercise, and that one is the exercise of B. Okay, let's do it. Who am I? Write the name of the insect. Okay boys, now we are going to read the description, and after that we have to understand that they are talking about which kind of insect, and we have to write just the name of that insect. Okay, look to the first one. The first one they have already done. A blue bottle is one, so blue bottle means fly. Okay, a blue bottle is one, mean fly. Okay, number 2, I collect pollen to make honey. I collect pollen to make honey. Yes, it is the job of what? The job of bee. So it means bee. In number 2, bee. Okay, come to number 3. I can appear from any crack. I can appear from any crack. Yes, this is the function of what? Ant. Okay, number 4. I am like a butterfly but come out at night. It means what? Moth. Okay boys, number first one there is fly, number 2 bee, number 3 there is ant, and the last one there is moth. Moth. Now come to the main topic, and this is today's work. Okay boys, on page number 11 there is unit number 2 grammar section. Okay, and we are going to discuss these all exercises on book. Okay boys, on the first topic here is what? Noun. So first of all I want to discuss the noun with you guys, and here I will show you some pictures. By these pictures we will understand about what? Noun. Okay boys, now come to grammar, page number 11. Okay, on page number 11 we have grammar exercise. So these are the exercises and words of noun. Now look to here, noun and kinds of noun. First of all we must know that what is noun. Okay, this is the definition of noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing, or any naming word is called what? Noun. Any naming word which exists in the world, it means it is what? Noun. Now look to the examples. Pakistan, this is the name of a specific place. Okay, the name of a place. Pakistan. Laiba, name of girl. Computer, name of thing. Ball, name of thing again, and lion, name of animal. So this was the definition of noun, and also I discussed what? Examples of noun. I hope you guys understood well about noun. Okay boys, now come to next page. On next page here you will find kinds of noun. Okay boys, and in today's lecture we will discuss only 2 kinds. The first one is proper and the second one is common, because these 2 kinds are discussed in your book. Okay, now come to the first one, proper noun. Proper noun is the name of some particular person, place or things. Okay, proper noun is used for what? For particular person, place or things, or specific person, specific place or specific things. For example, look to here, the first one example, Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Here I have underlined these 2 nouns, Islamabad and Pakistan, because both are proper noun, and this is the name of specific places. Okay, these are the names of what? The specific places. Islamabad, you know it very well, and also Pakistan, this is the name of our country. Now come to next example. Sarah is a beautiful girl. Sarah is beautiful girl. So Sarah has what? Proper noun, because this is the specific name of a particular girl. So now come to next kind, and this one is what? Common noun. What is the definition of common noun? Common noun is a name of common person, place or thing. Means that those kind of nouns which we use for common person, place or thing. Now look to this example. I hope you will understand well. Examples of common noun. Okay boys, the first one, this room is very big. Okay, look here, I have underlined the common nouns here in these examples. This room is very big. Room, just it is common noun because we don't know, this is not specified at which one room. Okay, if we talk about red one room, the main hall room, for example, the first room of the first floor, so it will show then proper noun, a kind of this word if we use. Like for example, if we give any specific name to a room, for example, if the room is red, in the red paints, so we call it red room or yellow room. So it, after that, it will become what? Proper noun. But here is only they have use one name and room, just room, so it is what? Common noun. Okay, I like the new pen. I like the new pen. Pen, just name, you don't know which one pen. If we give a specific name, for example, if we say dollar pen, so now it will become what? Proper noun. But here it just said pen, we don't know which one pen. Just it mean common. Okay, we don't know, it's mean what? Common. Also come to the third example, my chair is very big. My chair is very big. Chair, it's again what? Common noun. I hope you guys understood well about common noun. Okay boys, now move to your books. Shabas, page number 11. Now come here, what the book says. Look here about noun. A noun is often called naming word because it names a person, place, animal or thing. For example, nouns are divided in two main groups, proper nouns and common nouns. I hope you guys understood well about noun and about proper noun and common noun. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, as I told you, particular person, place or thing. For example, Asim, name of a boy. Brazil, name of country. Piano is also a specific name of tool. Now come for next. A common noun is a name shared in common with everything of the same kind. If you are a girl, you share the name girl with millions of other girls. For example, river, we don't know which one river. If you say, for example, Sindh river, so it will become what? Proper noun. But here just river, man, city, cheese. Okay boys, so now come to exercise A. Okay, exercise A, divide the following nouns into common nouns and proper nouns. Okay, now look to this word box. There are some nouns and there are some nouns. Now we are going to divide it in proper noun and common noun. Now this portion is for proper nouns and this one is for common noun. Now we are going to do it. Okay, the first one, Pakistan, proper noun, they have taken from here. Yes, it is proper noun. The next I have taken Harry Potter, because look here, and this is also the sign of the proper noun, that the proper noun will start with the capital letters. Okay boys, the proper noun word will start with the capital letter, like here Harry Potter, H capital, P capital. Okay, Harry Potter. Miss Robert, okay, Miss Robert, proper noun. Number 4, Dubai. Okay, number 5, Sheila, the name of girl. 6, Egypt, the name of country. 7, Norway, name of country. 8, Rose, look here, Rose, R-O-S-E, but R is capital, so it will become what? Proper noun. The 9 one, guitar. Okay, again G capital. Now come for common nouns. Hospital, H small, because there are many hospitals. Kettle, okay boys, kettle. You know what is the meaning of kettle? Kettle mean boiler. केटली, उर्दू में केटली कहते हैं, जिसमें पानी गर्म होते हैं डिफरेंट चीज उसके लिए. ओके, नंबर 3rd वन, टाउन. TOW, and the T is small. There are many towns, we don't know which one. So this is not specific. Okay, number 4, rose. Number 5, boy. Number 6, ruler. Rows are twos. Okay, there. One is start with capital letters and one is start with small letters. So the capital will become in the proper noun, and the small which rows started with the smaller letter, so it will become in a common noun. Okay, the 7, snake, and the 8 one, supermarket, because there are many supermarket. Which will know? If we said, for example, Peshawar supermarket, if there is a if it is a specific name, or we said, for example, like Medina supermarket, so now it will become what? Proper noun. But here it's just supermarket, so it is what? Common noun. And the 9 one, toothbrush. Okay boys, now come to exercise B. Write P beside each proper noun and C beside each common noun. We are going to write P for what? For proper noun, and C for common noun. Okay boys, let's start with number 1. Okay, the cat is what? Here the cat is common noun, lives in Tokyo. Tokyo is what? Proper noun, because Tokyo is the specific name of a city. Okay, number 2, Miss Murphy. Miss Murphy, this is a specific name of a female, so it is what? It is proper noun. Has a budgie. What does it mean, budgie? Budgie, it is a kind of parrot, okay, especially Australian parrot, and it is proper noun. In a cage is what? Common noun. Now come for the third one. The bus, it is common noun, traveled from Karachi is the name of specific city, so it is proper noun, to Lahore is also the name of a city, it is also what? Proper noun. Number 4, the athlete, it is common noun, will compete in the Olympics, it is what? Proper noun. There is a new station master, it is what? Common noun, in Houston station. And Houston station, what does it mean, Houston, this is the city name in Texas in USA, okay, the city name in Texas in USA. Houston station is what? Proper noun. Now come for the next one, exercise C. Fill in the blanks using a proper noun or a common noun. Okay, now we are going to use proper noun and common nouns to complete these empty areas. Okay, now I have done. Look at boys, and you guys also do it in your books. The first one, Sarah has a beautiful garden. She grows all kinds of flowers in it, but the roses are her favorite. She lives in Pakistan, so the weather is usually mild. Every spring she plants seeds. First, she digs a hole in the soil for each seed. Once the seed is covered, she waters the ground. Our time shoots. A pair followed by beautifully colored flowers. Flowers. उसके बाद यहाँ पर full stop है. Here is full stop. Sarah becomes very excited when this happens. The garden takes up a lot of her time. The grass must be cut and the beds must be weeded regularly. Next month, her garden will be judged in a local gardening competition. We wish her the best of luck. Okay, boys, I hope you guys understood the exercise C well, and it is very easy if you try by yourself. Okay, boys. Now I am just going to discuss a few words of this portion because some words I realize they are difficult. Okay, boys. Now, what is the meaning of soil? Soil. What is the meaning of soil? Boys, the upper place, the upper part of land. उर्दू में हम कहते हैं ज़मीन की बालाई हिस्सा जो हमवार होता है, जो पौधों के लिए अच्छा होता है. ओके, बालाई हिस्सा. Now next word, shoots. Should have different kind of meaning, but what is the exact meaning of shoot here? Should mean launch or come out. उर्दू में हम कह सकते हैं किसी चीज़ का फूट कर निकलना. ठीक है, ज़मीन से जिस तरह पौधा निकलता है, जब आप सीड्स ज़मीन में उगाते हो, कुछ दिनों के बाद वो जब ज़मीन से आहिस्ता आहिस्ता निकलते हैं तो उस एक्शन को क्या कहते हैं? शूट. And the next word I realized that there I realized weeded. Okay, weeded mean remove dirty or unhealthy grass from garden. जिस तरह आपके गार्डन में कोई इस तरह फूल होता है या इस तरह पौधे होते हैं जो खराब होते हैं, उसको आप उसको गार्डन से निकाल लेते हो ताकि वो दूसरे पौधों को नुकसान ना पहुंचे. ओके, इट्स मीन weeded. Okay boys, I hope you guys understood well about grammar portion of unit number 2. Try your best, work hard, don't waste your time, and do this all exercise on your books with the help of pencil. Okay boys, take care of yourself. See you in next class. Assalamu alaikum.